Anytime you log into a Wi-Fi anywhere with your Kindle, the device will not only remember that wireless network for the next time around, it will also save the Wi-Fi passwords to the Amazon cloud. In case you use the Paperwhite at work, your employer might not be too happy about this fact. So you have the option to delete saved passwords. To do that, go to the Wi-Fi and Bluetooth section in the device settings. Choose Delete Wi-Fi Passwords and delete all passwords. Unfortunately, this setting is all or nothing. You can't pick single networks and delete their passwords. Delete them all or keep them all. So it makes sense to think about it for a moment before you hit the button. Or choose Wi-Fi networks, and if you're in the network that you don't want to use anymore in the future, pick it from the list and tap Forget.